China is gradually going big in the second-hand car sector. The China Automobile Dealers Association says sales of used cars reached 9.9 million units in the first 7 months of the year, a 46% year-on-year growth. Some are buying used cars because of their relatively low prices.
I think buying a used car is a good deal. They're cheaper and new cars lose their value quickly.
In addition, the global chip shortage has taken its toll on the new car market, which is also leading many customers to choose a used car instead of waiting for a new one. Retailers say the prospect of new registration rules should help sales to grow even faster.
Second-hand cars buyers in Shanghai are mainly from other cities, and over 60% of those used cars here are registered outside of Shanghai. The government is now considering removing restrictions on cross-province registration for used cars. That will make it easier for customers to buy used cars, which will boost sales.
In addition to simplifying cross-province car registration, the Ministry of Commerce also reduced the value-added tax on used cars from 2% to just 0.5% last May. The ministry says it is now working on further improving information sharing and standardization, which should also help second-hand dealers.
Many big used cars trading platforms like us have already benefited from those government support efforts in the past few years, and we expect more to come. Car ownership in China has now reached 280 million units, and there are around 20 million new cars coming on the market every year. So the second-hand car market will grow increasingly fast in the future. And supportive policies will help the market to mature.
But maturity isn't here quite yet. Industry standards and pricing levels are far from unified or stable.
Buying used cars is not like buying other products where you can see the price just by scanning a QR code. Around 70% of used cars dealers now are self-employed, and the market is really fragmented. There aren't clear pricing standards, and people tend to look down on them.
Some progress is being made, however. Liu says there are now more retailers working with third-party institutions on pricing and quality inspections. The Auto Dealers Association says that so far this year, 65 used cars are being sold in China for every 100 new ones. The number last year was only 55. In Money Talks,